Well, we've still got nice scorching hot weather here, so I'm going to take advantage of it and do some jobs that need doing. One of the things that needs doing is Rocky's pool needs cleaning out. It's starting to go a bit green, and I don't really want him standing in that when it's all green and horrible. Plus the fact I like to stand in it as well and cool my feet off. I'm one of those people who suffers with hot feet in the spring and the summer. So we'll sort that out. The first thing I'll do is you can see some little skeeters starting to form in here. The first thing I'll do is I'll put about a cup full of bleach in here. And I found that that's the best way to clean this. I used to scrub it and it'd take me ages, so now I'll just put about a cup full of bleach in. And I know some people are going to kick off about this and say, oh, poor Rocky, the bleach in there. You know, it has no effect on him whatsoever. He's perfect. I mean, admittedly, he was once a black lab and now he seems to be a lovely white colour, but apart from that, fine. Isn't that right, Rocky? Yeah. And while we're waiting for the bleach to serenade in that pool of water, marinate in that pool of water and do its magic, I'll take this opportunity to give the mighty Viva a bit of a clean, because I've not bothered doing it during the hot weather. It's not been a very good thing to do. So we have our bucket of wash and wax ready to go, and our various brushes, and of course the mighty chariot waiting for a much needed clean. And to help me with this task, I'm going to be using something that Mrs. Summerhouse bought me last Christmas, and I had my doubts about one of these things until I spoke to a couple of people. And it's one of these cordless pressure washers, and yeah, these are pretty damn good. These you'll be surprised, very useful tool to have. So you have it fake Makita batteries, there's two. Okay, you get a spare and one in there. This is for putting your wash and wax in, but I've never bothered, like. And you've got various other accessories, hose attachments, spare tube, I'm not altogether sure what you do with that, and the charger for these weird batteries you get. And this will of course work with the Makita batteries. And then you have the hose with the weighted cage at the bottom to keep debris out, and this end, which is just like a hose pipe end that attaches to the gun. You have various different jet settings for the nozzle, and believe you me, this thing is surprisingly powerful, and it's a lot less hassle than messing with one of those big cumbersome jet washers. And it takes up a lot less room as well. Is it as powerful as one of them? No, but it's more than powerful enough for most jobs. So that's the Viva, giving her a nice coat of the wax and hot water, and at this point she might be getting a bit of a twitch on. But you wait until you see the end result. Okay, so we've got the hose attached to the gun, and the other end with the weighted cage at the bottom of the bucket of water. What you do now is you press the button, and here we go. So that's the Viva finished. Looks absolutely amazing. And the good thing is, with it being a small car, I only need to use one bucket of water, and you can carry the bucket and walk around the car. So it's much easier than using a big cumbersome jet washer. And it's more than powerful enough. It's, like I say, it's surprisingly powerful. Right, now let's go and sort out Rocky's pool. Well, the bleach has done its job nicely, so we'll just undo the plug around this side, undo the plug end here, and let that drain out before we get on to the next bit. Exciting times, eh? Okay, so that's the pool drained, and all the bleachy water's out now, and it's cleaned up most of it. But to finish off, we'll use the jet wash on it now. Right, so we're all loaded up. We've got the weighted end in the bucket of water over there, whatever it is, there it is, and we're all ready to go with the gun. I've put it on a slightly stronger setting, I think, and we'll get some of the rest of this muck off now. So as you can see, while I'm jet washing it, it's coming up like new again, clean. Right, I'm going to put the camera down now because it's hard to do this whilst filming and I don't want to damage the camera. And now we'll just fill the pool back up with water, and I'm going to take Rocky for a quick walk, and job should be done by the time we get back. Do you want to go? You sure you want to go for a walk? Right, now we're back from the walk. Get in that pool. Go on, get in there. Good boy. Isn't that bad? Don't try and drink it all. Good boy, Rocky. Well, he seems quite happy with it.